Why?
That water!
Here she comes. Get her. Get the ball. Get the ball. She's good. Okay, you're gonna try this?
Is she gonna go in the water?
If you want, go throw it there. No, throw it in the water. Go get it from her. Go get it. See it? Right there. No, go get it behind you. No, get the one back here. Quick, here she goes. Here she goes. Quick, 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 quick. Oh! Oh! Here. And this one's for you. Good, get it, look out! Oh, scary. Ooh.
I'm gonna go see the water.
Alright.
Can you roll up my pants, please?
Me?
Can you please help me roll up my pants?
Sure. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, say hello to your mom again.
Hello, Mom!
Say hello to Miss Richards.
Hello, Miss Richards.
Okay. Oh, look out! Here comes the water!